Hello, I'm Richard Wood from Weber Rescue UK. Thank you for watching this brief video, which we've put together to explain the key points and user benefits of using eForce2 rescue equipment. First of all, eForce2 is powered by a brushless drive system, which means inside this tough fibre reinforced casing, the motor produces no sparks, reduced heat, and therefore really prolongs the working time of the lithium-ion battery. The characteristic of the brushless drive system means that it ticks over during use. Therefore, if I turn the tool on by pushing the top button, the tool is ticking over there. Because the brushless drive is so efficient, it needs that momentum, that rotating of the motor to ease stopping and starting every time, really conserving energy. Okay? But the one nice benefit it has is A, I know that tool is on. I know it's live in my hand and it's good to go. Another reason, another safety benefit, is that I put the tool down or not use the tool during the incident, it will turn itself off after 30 seconds. And there we are. So A, we know when they're on because they're ticking over, and B, when we're not using them, they turn themselves off. I think two key safety benefits there. Okay. Now I'd like to talk a little bit about the battery. Well, as you can see, Weber Rescue have not developed our own battery, but instead opted for an industry standard battery, and we've chosen the Milwaukee M28 series battery for its obvious benefits, which means that if you opt for the eForce2 rescue equipment, we can also use a one battery system for your other equipment on the appliance, such as the M28 Power Tool series from Milwaukee. Or perhaps lighting, our own quick light for instant lighting at the scene. So a one battery system really eases the stowage and the use on the appliance and at the scene. Okay. But the battery itself, as I say, it's the very latest 28 volt, 5 amp hour red lithium ion battery from Milwaukee. Okay. It gives us up to 1,000 charging cycles, no short life memory, we don't have to discharge them to recharge them. Okay, we've got a lighting system on there that tells us the status of the battery at any time. If I push the button on the battery, we can clearly see this one is fully charged. And that button can be pressed at any time during use, whether it's connected to the tool or just off the tool as I've got it now. So the real benefit of using eForce2 with the lithium-ion battery is the duration in use. The brushless drive system combined with this 28 volt battery, this 5 amp hour battery, will give it you 1 hour 20 minutes operating time on a typical incident. Okay. Actually, in constant use, that's really 45 to 50 minutes continuous use of one fully charged battery. Connection of the battery is simple. Simply slide onto the back mounting. Battery is connected. For disconnecting, press the two red lugs on the back of the battery and simply remove. You'll be pleased to know there's a variety of charging options available, from the mains 230 240 volt charger, or on vehicle charging 12 or 24 volt. The system automatically sets itself to the required vehicle voltage, or even 110 volt continuous working cable. But you may find with the brushless drive system combined with the 5 amp hour battery, you've got more than enough operating duration. Okay. For charging the battery, really for using the chargers, it takes approximately 1 hour 15 minutes from totally discharged to fully charged and ready to go. Here we go. eForce2 is operated by a trigger system under the main carrying handle here. So we can see by really using my finger and thumb, it's very simple to operate the tools. Turn it on and control the tool as such. Okay, and we can clearly see on the control system, just like our push button control, one side of the trigger is curved outwards and one side of the trigger is curved inwards. So whatever the tool is designed to do, that's what I'm feeling for actually, through my finger, through my gloved hand. Okay. Yes, we've got operation operational directional labels on the tool there. But really, by feeling for that trigger, I know this tool there is going to spread and is going to close. And that's a key safety issue, because sometimes the tool may be out of reach or out of sight, and you're feeling for the tool, perhaps through the car or somewhere. And I think feeling for that curved, I know that's going to spread and that's going to close. We can also control the speed and the power of the tool by how much we depress the trigger. If I wish, I can really creep the arms. Or if you want to do, simply depress as full. You'll be pleased to know that Weber Rescue has two manual handling options for the eForce 2 tools. Many users will be familiar with the adjustable handle on the tools. By simply slackening off the nut there, we can rotate the handle to suit the required position. Or for eForce 2, many users may wish to consider a full wraparound option. So we can simply and instantly adjust from horizontal to vertical cutting, and it's easy in operation. Okay, as we can see, whichever option you opt for, both tools are perfectly balanced for handling and use. Well, generally, a dedicated kit would incorporate a batch-operated telescopic RAM, but perhaps some brigades are just considering a COMBI tool kit, but to really enhance the COMBI tool without going to the expense of a full batch-operated RAM, we do quite an ingenious mechanical RAM. So we can fit this onto the arms of the COMBI tool as you would do a chain set, like this. Then now instantly, we've transformed the COMBI tool into a real pushing mechanical RAM. .740mm opening, a really useful tool for pushing dashboards, pushing way openings and creating space. Option of a convenient carrying strap, simply clip onto the tool for transporting the tool around the incident or to the incident.